Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT King Kong Mini 3, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. On one of the pages we should have our power saving mode. For me it is on the second page right over here, and you can see this with the battery icon with the plus inside of it. So that's our power saving mode. Anyway, once you see it, you can simply tap on it. Gives you this annoying notification. And that's about it. Now there's a couple things that might be happening in the background which aren't mentioned right here. So if you experience that your notifications are being delayed in delivery, or just not being delivered to auto when you're not using the device, just know that this is most likely the power saving mode, power saving. Now, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more and simply tapping on it once again. This will revert all the changes. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.